So for this pattern I'm using medium worsted yarn in cream color and 7mm crochet hook. You can use a smaller hook if you wish. I will start with a slip knot and I will chain 21. This is a one size wrist, it goes for most of the sizes. Okay, so I will make a loose loop. I will come back to the first chain, insert the hook and bring the loop back in a round shape and slip stitch. Okay, make sure we tighten everything. Okay, I'm gonna chain 2, double crochet in every stitch. Here are the last 2 stitches. And now we're gonna work in spiral without closing every round separately. So what we're gonna do is the first front post stitch double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook behind the chain 2 and work the double crochet. Yarn over, insert and push the double crochet out and work the next double crochet. This is the only thing you need to do for the next 4 rounds initially. 4 rounds including the double crochet. Four rounds excluding the double crochet round. And now we're starting the second round. You can place a stitch marker if you wish, or you can just count the rounds. So here I'm at the fourth round, and I'm gonna start the fifth one, but before that we're gonna make the opening of the thumb from here. So I'm gonna chain 2, and I'm gonna skip 2 stitches and work the front post stitch in the next one. So chain 2, skip 2, and work the front post stitch in the next stitch. And I will continue the same. Then I'll show you what to do when we come back to this point. So in this stitch again, front post stitch, and then in the 2 chains I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in each. So 1 double crochet here and 1 double crochet here as well, and then continue front post stitch. And coming back to this point, I'm gonna also front post stitch in these 2 double crochet. I'm gonna continue for 8 more rounds before I slip stitch and fasten off. And here, as I previously mentioned, I'm gonna make a front post stitch in both double crochet and continue for 8 rounds, as I said. I'll come back and show you the final result. So here I'm at the end of round 8, and what I'm gonna do next is slip stitch in every stitch till I'm back again. Just slip stitch to lock all the work. and fasten off and cut my thread. Gonna hide everything in between the stitches. And this is how the wrist warmer looks like, very easy to achieve. So you just wear it like this, take your thumb out, and that's how it is. Oops. Very easy and simple. Quick also, in less than 2 hours you can make your own pet. And since it's already winter, it's time to get warm. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to check the written pattern, which will be linked in the description box. Until next time, take care, bye bye.